If you want to create a voice memo or just record a sound on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then first you need to find the recorder. You can find it, for example, in the app drawer. What you need to do is find the recorder app. So let's go over here. At the bottom, we can press this button in order to start recording. If you do this for the first time, you need to grant permissions. And there we go. We are now recording a simple voice memo. As you can see, we also have an AI tool that recognizes our speech. We can also choose the language over here in case it is wrong. But once you are done with the recording, you can press this stop button over here at the bottom. You can also just pause it by pressing this pause button. Over here in the middle, we have this mark icon. We can tap on it in order to create a mark. And yeah, so let's stop. And once it is saved, we can tap on the recording. Let's press allow. And you should be able to listen to it. You can, of course, choose to jump to the specific point of the voice memo. We can rewind 3 seconds or go forward 3 seconds. We can change the speed over here in the bottom right corner. On the left side, we can choose the target language so we can actually translate. So let's say I'm going to choose Spanish. And there we go. As you can see, here at the top, we have the AI summary and also the translation. We can also tap show voice print so that we have these voice waves, as you can see over here. And you should be able to also find these check marks or marks that you have created. And over here in the top right corner, we can go to marks in order to find all of them. And we have some additional options again, like transcription. We can transcribe again, hide speaker name, and so on and so forth, or save to notes. So that is pretty much it. In case you want to find those recordings, you should be able to find them pretty much immediately as you open the app. And you can tap over here in order to find some additional recorder settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!